Welcome to another YouTube video. Today, we will be doing Ava, stop crunching that bottle. I am in a car right now, going on the way to a friend's house. And we will be doing another Pixlegun 30.
Cut it out!
Okay, so anyway, what the heck? We are going to be, I keep on pressing the wrong button. I haven't played this in a while, so I thought I should do it. I am getting...
Shut
up, guys. And I am doing this because apparently I'm getting a lot of views, so I want to do this for you guys. So yeah.
Be quiet.
We're going to North Carolina. Okay,
yeah!
guys. Woo! Yes, this family is that crazy.
At least he thought of me as family. That's all that matters.
Fun girl. Okay, guys, do not talk every few seconds, okay? Don't talk every few seconds. You can talk every few hours or minutes. Yes.
That's really cute.
Hold on.
1 minute.
Okay.
What?
And then you get 1 minute.
No,
Rocket lunch out!
I get 4 minutes.
No, you said I can have 2 minutes. YOLO. Look at the dancing. Oh, you missed it. It's too late. Bunny.
We are cute.
Rocket launcher! I can't do it. You said it wrong. Rocket launcher! I say chow! Holy bubble nuggets! No, that was 1. Holy butthole. What am I? That was 1.
That was 1.
Yucky.
That's 2.
No, I'm about to do my second one. Dang, I can. What? I swear, I just. Fun Girl 78. Hi. Did someone steal your name? No. My name is you. Are you serious? You did that again, didn't you? Yes. I love it. Genie in a bikini. Think of that in your head. A boy genie in a bikini. How about a girl genie in a bikini? No, boy. It'll look mysterious and weird. You know what? That should be the new cover of my mysterious girl channel. Instead of that weird. Instead of that. Oh, you freaking! I hate you.
You hate me?
Woo! Shotgun. Shotgun. That's how I say it. Shotgun. Shotgun! Everybody stop. What the? So if you get in the fight, is yours hairless? Is yours hairless? Is yours hairless? What are you talking about? I don't know. Dodge, fight them. Glorious wants to add me as a friend. I'm just gonna press yes. Did you know if they press no, it says that you got rejected? Yeah. I'm not stupid. You got rejected. I got rejected a lot of times. I was rejected once. Why did Ash not want to be my friend? He's from Pokemon. Are you legit, Larry? Listen, you have to be friends with the main character from Pokemon. You just have to. Hi. Pokemon. Pokey. Pika. Pika. Sorry, Dodge, but my shotgun is awesome. This is like the best shotgun ever. Hold on, Ava. What? I'm a Liberty and I never share. Who says that? You. No? I just said I'm a Liberty and I do share. You don't share. Every time I tell you sharing is caring, you say no. Nah. Did you know there's like